Hello student, the question from the CoCubes this year 2025. The question said the three functions are given. F of a is 3a square plus 5a minus 1, g of a is a square plus a, and h of a is a square minus a cube, and we have to find h of f of 2. So here it is. First you have to understand h of f of 2 means what. So here it is, then nothing but what, h of f of 2 we have to find. So here it is, h is same as it is, and f of 2, so instead of this a we are put the value 2 here in that function, f of a function. So here it is 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 1. So h of 2 square is 4 3s are 12 plus 10 minus 1. So here it is h of 21. So here it is h of 21. So in this function we put this 21 value on the place of a. So here it is a square minus a cube means 21 square minus 21 cube. 21 square is 441, and 21 cube is 21 1 that 21 4 is 84, 21 4 is 84. So it is 16219 minus 9261. So definitely the answer should be in negative. So 9261 minus 441, here it is 0 2. So 0 2 is in a minus, answer is it. So here it is 88. So minus 8820 is the answer. I think it is clear to everyone. Move for the next question. The next question on the same basis, in the same shift, they are asking both the question. Find the value of f of g. So h of g of 2, so is nothing but g of 2, h of g of 2. So here it is g of 2 value. So a square plus a means h of 2 square plus 2. So here it is h of 2 square, 4 plus 2 is 6. So h of 6 equals to a square minus a cube means 6 square minus 6 cube. 6 square is 36, 6 cube is 216. So is subtracted here. So here it is 180. Minus 180 should be the answer for this question. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.